Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create easy Illustrator background design tutorial. Use rectangle tool shortcut M to draw a horizontal shape. Gradient panel Ctrl F9. You can use gradient panel to give gradient fill color to shape. Left gradient slider color R211 G25 B32 and right gradient slider color R247 G147 B30. Click on reverse gradient and angle 90°. Select save and go to object menu and lock and selection. Ctrl 2. You can use pen tool shortcut P to draw a shape. Left gradient slider opacity 10%. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shapes and apply screen blending mode from transparency panel. Go to object menu and group Ctrl G. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Unlock all. Ctrl Alt 2. Draw a horizontal shape. Select all and right click and make clipping mask Ctrl 7. Finally, your easy vector abstract background design is now ready. Use rectangle tool shortcut M to draw a horizontal shape. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.